Now, hot off the press, CaribbeanJournal.com brought to my attention the fact that American Airlines is planning to launch their pre-flight COVID testing on certain flights into the Caribbean. And yes, you guessed it, the first island that will benefit from this is Jamaica. So beginning next month, that is November, Jamaica will be the first destination, and the Jamaican government has reached an agreement with American Airlines to begin testing at the Miami International Airport. And so this will mean that for Jamaican residents who are traveling home, if you test negative for COVID-19 ahead of flying with American, the current 14-day quarantine in place for returning Jamaican nationals will be waived. Now, I don't know if you see this coming, but I believe this is a fantastic thing because you know what a deterrent it has been for persons who they don't have 14 days. They don't have all that time off from work, but they do want to come home and check on family, check on property, make sure everything is going well. And so now, starting next month, you can fly out of MIA, Miami International Airport, do your COVID test, have your negative result, and you do not have to undergo 14 days quarantine. So here we go, quick weekend run over to Jamaica once more, guys. This is exciting. We could not close this presentation at all without speaking about a grand announcement that the Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, made at the grand opening of the Zoetry property right down there in Montego Bay. And those of you who know us know that that is our go-to luxury property for those who are seeking a romantic hideaway, totally butler service, 24-hour concierge, top shelf, drink in room, total panoramic views from your balcony and from your ensuite rooms. To die for. And of course, stay at 1, play at 4 with exchange privileges to Secrets Montego Bay with the Secrets Wild Orchid, Secret St. James, and of course Breathless. Now this is not an adult only property, it's available for families. Just bear in mind that there are no special child care facilities and there is not a child pricing. So for the Zoetry property, and you will see it if you look on some of our previous videos, it's beautiful. There is no special attention that will be made for children, but sitting in the lap of luxury, living la vida loca, and being able to just suck all of that in, even with your young ones, will be a delectable treat. Now, Minister Bartlett spoke about this insurance, which will come in effect from November 1 of 2020, and for a small cess which will be attached to every arriving tourist ticket, there will be the availability of this insurance. And what that means is it will ensure that their testing is covered, whatever health requirements are needed while they are here on the island will be covered, and if they fall ill, the repatriation, meaning the getting them out and home, those repatriation arrangements will be put in place. A plane will be on the tarmac, ready and appropriately equipped with paramedics and the ability to take them safely home to their destination. Great news, great news. And you know, Minister Bartlett, we really just want to add our voice to the congratulatory messages. He has been getting award after award I think it was last year he was awarded um, Tourism Minister of the Year. He got a big award sometime in September, late September, I believe, as he now heads out a world-based tourism entity. We'll find more details on that and share it with you. And he is effectively the longest serving minister in government, in our politics, and of course working in one ministry. So as the news report suggested, Minister Bartlett has been sworn in 7 times, and he has been the Minister of Tourism for the longest period in Jamaica's history, having entered at 32 years old and having served 7 tours of duty, we call it that. He is certainly a shining star, not only on the Caribbean scene anymore, but worldwide. So right here from Share Fun Vibe, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, Traveling with Sheri. Yes, you all need to check out our Facebook group page, Traveling with Sheri. We just want to send a huge congratulations to Minister Bartlett on his achievements. And this is where we're gonna park it for now. We have had a full morning, full time of sharing, but we want to hear your thoughts on all that we have spoken about. Any congratulatory messages you want to share with Minister Bartlett, anything you want to share about our collaboration with Unstoppable Live, and of course, any questions that you might have regarding returning to Jamaica, and of course the travel protocols that are in place. This is your girl Sheri. This is Sheri Fun Vibe. Have a phenomenal week. Ciao for now.